Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host. Today we're talking about Rivian Automotive's latest update on their delivery and spending targets for 2025. The electric vehicle manufacturer has made some significant changes to their projections due to global trade tensions. Rivian beat Wall Street's expectations for the first quarter, but that doesn't mean they're immune to economic uncertainty. In fact, the company is feeling the pinch of President Trump's tariffs on imported auto parts. According to Rivian Chief Financial Officer Claire McDonough, the company will incur around $2,000 in additional expenses per vehicle due to these tariffs. This shift has led Rivian to cut their 2025 delivery target down from a range of 46,000 units to 51,000 units to between 40,000 and 46,000 units. That's a significant reduction, but the company is still banking on modest positive gross profits this year. However, they've also increased their expected capital expenditures to $1.8 billion to $1.9 billion. Now, let's take a look at some of the numbers behind Rivian's first quarter performance. The company achieved its second consecutive quarter of gross profit, unlocking an expected $1 billion from Volkswagen Group as part of their joint venture. Rivian recorded a net loss of $541 million on an unadjusted basis, but that's narrowed down from around $1.5 billion last year. Despite these challenges, Rivian remains optimistic about their future prospects. The company is banking on the launch of their new R2 product to reinvigorate demand and bring in more revenue. And with $8.5 billion in liquidity at the end of the first quarter, including $7.2 billion in cash and short-term investments, Rivian has a solid financial foundation to build on. That's all for now from ElectroDrive News. We'll keep you updated on any further developments in the electric vehicle industry.